Step-by-step guide to changing your default Google account in 2025. Having multiple Google accounts for work, school, and personal use is common. But what happens when you sign into one and it automatically becomes your default account, causing all your new Google-related activities, from opening Gmail to clicking a link on YouTube, to default to that account? It's a common frustration, but the fix is simple, although it might seem counterintuitive. The golden rule for changing your default Google account is this: the first Google account you sign into in a web browser is the default. To change your default account, you can't simply select a different account from the profile switcher. You need to reset the order by signing out of all accounts and signing back in with the one you want to be the primary. Step-by-step guide to changing your default Google account. This method works for any web browser on your computer. Sign out of all accounts. Go to any Google page, like google.com, gmail.com, or a Google search page. Click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Sign out of all accounts. Sign in with your desired default account. After you've signed out, you'll be taken to a sign-in page. Click Sign in, and log in with the account you want to be your default. This is the crucial step. Add back your other accounts. Once you're signed into your new default account, you can now add back your other accounts. Click on your profile picture again, and this time, select Add another account. Sign into your other accounts as you normally would. You can verify that the change was successful by checking your profile picture. The first account listed at the top of the drop-down menu is now your default. On mobile devices, Android and iOS, the process on mobile devices is slightly different and involves your device's settings. On Android, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. Tap the down arrow next to your current account. Select Manage Accounts on this device. Remove each Google account by tapping on it and selecting Remove Account. Don't worry, this doesn't delete the account, it just removes it from the device. Once all accounts are removed, open any Google app, like Gmail or YouTube, and sign back in with the account you want as your default. Then, add the others back. On iOS, open any Google app, Gmail, Google Drive, etc. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Tap Manage Accounts on this device. Select Remove from this device for each account. Sign back in with the account you want to be your default first, then add the others. An alternative solution: use different browser profiles. If signing in and out every time is too much of a hassle, consider using different browser profiles. Chrome, Firefox, and other modern browsers allow you to create separate profiles. Each profile acts as a unique browser instance with its own bookmarks, history, and, most importantly, saved accounts. This way, you can have a work profile with your work email as the default and a personal profile with your personal email as the default, without ever needing to sign out.